Reaction between benzaldehyde and acetophenone in presence of dilute sodium hydroxide is known as cross-aldol condensation. Carboxylic acids have higher boiling points than aldehydes, ketones, and even alcohols of comparable molecular mass. It is due to their formation of intermolecular H bonding. Due to formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonding in carboxylic acid, association occurs. Hence, boiling point increases and become more than the boiling point of aldehydes, ketones, and alcohols of comparable molecular masses. Here is a matching: benzaldehyde, benzoin, phthalic anhydride, phenolphthalein, phenyl benzoate, Fry's rearrangement, methyl salicylate, oil of wintergreen. Acetamide is treated with the following reagents separately. Which one of these would yield methylamine? NaOH-Br2. Cannizzaro reactions will not result in the formation of carbon-carbon bonds. The relative reactivities of acyl compounds towards nucleophilic substitution are in the order of acyl chloride, acid anhydride, ester, amide. The product formed in aldol condensation is a beta hydroxyaldehyde or a beta hydroxy ketone. Condensation between two molecules of an aldehyde or a ketone having at least one alpha hydrogen atom in the presence of a base to form a beta hydroxyaldehyde of a beta hydroxyketone is known as aldol condensation. Aldol condensation are divided into two parts. One is self-aldol condensation and another is cross-aldol condensation. When both molecules are same, called self-aldol and vice versa. Reduction of aldehydes and ketones into hydrocarbons using zinc amalgam and concentration HCl is called Clemmensen reduction. Clemmensen reduction. Aldehydes and ketones are reduced to the corresponding alkanes by means of amalgamated zinc and HCl. A carbonyl compound reacts with hydrogen cyanide to form cyanohydrin, which on hydrolysis forms a racemic mixture of alpha hydroxy acid. The carbonyl compound is acetaldehyde. 2-hydroxypropane can be oxidized to the corresponding carbonyl compound. 2-hydroxypropane or secondary alcohol is oxidized into propane. Corresponding because in 2-hydroxypropane a secondary alcoholic group is present and it is oxidized into ketone. Self-condensation of 2 moles of ethyl acetate in presence of sodium ethoxide yields acetoacetic ester. The OH group of an alcohol or the COOH group of a carboxylic acid can be replaced by -Al using phosphorus pentachloride.